Hello everybody, Amy from That Teaching Spark here. This is a fractions unit assessment and it covers identifying fractions, equivalent fractions, comparing fractions, and fractions on a number line. These questions were designed to be test prep-like questions, getting kids ready for state testing. There are multiple choice questions and selecting multiple answers, and there are drop-down menu questions. Once students are finished completing this test, they just press submit, and then you will be able to view your responses and individual students, what answers they chose. You'll be able to choose a summary of your entire class, view the questions that they answered and what they got right and wrong. You can view your answers in sheets, so it will show you your students and what they actually chose as their answers. I send this out to my students through Google Classroom, but you can send it out through email or send it out by giving them the link. To send it out in Google Classroom, you just simply need to open up your classroom, go to Classwork, create an assignment, title it for them, give them directions if you need to. Simply add it from your Google Drive because it should already be in your recent section. Click on the test that you want to add, change the point value to 15 or whatever your point value is. Make sure you're selecting all the students that you want and then assign it. This will then show up for them in their stream and they'll be able to click on it and complete the test. You'll be able to see who turned it in and see their status. Have a great time with digital learning.